Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the agenda and objectives for the week of March 29th. And this is a shortened week because we actually start spring break on Friday. And we're actually ending up or finishing up our polynomial unit. And so this week there's no new material. So right now you're on the Watch This First agenda and objectives for the week of March 29th. And notice there's no video or notes to view for this week. What you will be doing is doing a formative assessment, which is your practice. It is a little bit different this time. It is 30 review problems in which I give you in a PDF document. You can either choose to print the PDF document or you can just write down the problems on a separate sheet of paper. Make sure that you follow the directions in the assignment carefully. And what you will be doing is actually checking your answers before you upload. If you have questions on any of those, you should attend one of these or as many of these Zoom sessions as you need to get your questions answered. Now, I am providing the answer key here. Please do not just take my answer key and write my answers down. You do need to show the work of how you figured out these problems. This assessment, this formative assessment, is preparing you for this summative assessment, in which you will not have the answers, and it is a Canvas quiz with one attempt. So please make sure that when you are doing this assignment, that you are comfortable with, that you feel confident with the problems, and if you don't, that you attend a Zoom session before you complete this summative assessment. Okay? Please note that I put these on as due for the Monday after spring break, but ideally I would think that you would want to do both of these this week, maybe get on this on Monday or Tuesday, and then attend a Zoom session here and complete this summative assessment, so then you can start after spring break fresh with this. So if you have any questions, please come to one of the Zoom sessions. If I don't see you this week, then please enjoy your spring break. And like always, Canvas message me if you have any questions.